Mamelodi Sundowns won. Kaizer Chiefs won. Betway Premiership. This is We Talk Football SA. Liponza Northwest Uringtat.
Abuti ke a o leboga go mfa this opportunity.
Yes.
What I like to say, Absolute Mwado, coach of Orlando Pirates,
Yes.
owe me an apology.
Yes.
First leg, MTN 8, Orlando, I was there.
Yes.
Ke bolele di fan tsa Pirate hore ba se ka mokoba because never lose 2 games.
Yes.
Second game, I was there, go Masterpiece Moripe.
Yes.
Pirate Evansaka the penalty.
Yes.
Final, I just tell him, Bosch, I was there.
You were there.
I was there, go Combo Bella.
Yeah.
Yeah, for try to talk lead Feneza Pirate or Skeba Mokova. Now, Kadavi, or a Conor Samika Karate Kick.
Yes.
That is why he owes me an apology. Today's game is just a game of 2 halves.
Yes.
Kaizer Chiefs improve every day.
Yes.
We are not doing this for Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
We are doing for us.
Yes.
What I'm like to say, nah, I'm not Mamelodi Chiefs.
Yes.
I'm Kaizer Chiefs.
You are Kaizer Chiefs.
I'm Kaizer Chiefs. I'm not
Fleet.
Yeah, I'm not Mamelodi Kaizer. I'm not Mamelodi Chiefs.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are doing this for Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
Because Chiefs is improving each and every day.
Yes.
Each and every game we are improving. What I like to say to our coaches,
Yes.
please substitute on time.
Yes.
Substitute on time.
Yes.
This game we must Chiefs.
Yeah.
Chiefs are supposed to win this game. All I can say to Mzansi football lovers, please subscribe for this guy to grow.
Thank you so much. We Talk Football SA.
Thank you, Football SA.
Thank you.